Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And I have Sybil with me today, and she is ready to open up this box. All right. So I have another subscription box for Ellowyne Wilde from the Virtual Doll Convention. It just arrived today, and I'm filming this in late February. And I did get some add-ons, which I think looks like they're in here. Okay. So this is the add-on outfit. Oh my God, I got it. I've been wanting one of these, and they haven't been in the shop. Oh. Cool beans. All right, so how fun. I got a little puppy dog. All right. I've seen these in the shop, but they've always been sold out. That's so funny that I have Sybil here with me. Very cool looking. Woo, okay, neato petito. You hang over there with Sybil. So I got the subscription box, an extra dress, and an extra suit. I went kind of crazy. I have been selling a number of dolls out of my collection lately. As I film this, I think I've gotten rid of at least a dozen, either sold, given away, whatever. And so I treated myself. All right. So we have these beautiful pink shoes to go with this dress, or this little suit here. Let's see. Look at these shoes. These look like they're going to be super easy to slip on. Yes, no buckles, no zipper, just slip them on. Look at these little sparklies. How cute. All right, let me set these over here. And then let me pull everything out so you can see the theme here. She's going through each room of her house. Love is fine, dolls are better. And here's a note from Sybil. I'll open that. Yeah, let me go ahead and open this up, because this will explain this part. This dress, so last month, the dress for the outfit in the box was very similar to this dress. Right. Yeah, you can see it from here, I think. This is the dress. Let me pull this up here. This was in the box last time, and they had an add-on dress which was just like this, only it was more of this pink color. It had like the background was sort of like champagne and then pink on top. The flowers were pink, and that thing sold out super fast, like lightning speed, and I wanted to get it. And bless her heart, not only did Rachel come through for us and get an extra pink one, there was a blue one and a green one this month. Anyway, so that's why this dress is in there. She had this dress along with the petticoat and everything, really related to last month's subscription. All right, so let's open up this. I can't remember what room she's in now. Look at that. How fun. I know it's a similar outfit to this, only in a different color. All right, so it's called Wardrobe Woes. And this is the outfit that's part of the box subscription. The nylons are exact. The shoes are chosen with intention. The ensemble suggests she could leave the house or decide not to and still feel justified. She studies herself in the mirror for a long moment. She does not smile. This means it is correct. All right, so all this is from the point of view of Sybil, and now I remember she is in her closet. You can see the closet here in the background. So she's in her closet getting dressed, trying to figure out, what she's going to wear for the day. All right, so let me move this. We'll get into the box. So this is the actual subscription part of the box. And let me say, I know the subscription is full right now, but sometimes she has waiting lists so that when people, because sometimes people decide halfway through they don't want to do it anymore. So you can always contact Virtual Doll Convention about getting on a waiting list. Ooh, we got some cookies. These look like little chocolate chips. Yeah, chocolate chip cookies. Yummo. Be scarfing those down soon. Be mine or don't, I'll be over here. All right, here's another picture of the outfit. And they have it pictured with these blue shoes, and I guess, yes, there is some blue, so that's interesting. In the video that they showed, Christopher mentioned that there was like a blue stripe in here, but I just couldn't see it. And I still, even with this picture, it's not that obvious. But now that I see it in person, I can see the blue. So the blue shoes would have worked. But honestly, I have a couple pairs of blue shoes. And I feel like I have other shoes, neutral shoes that would work all right. So I did not go for the blue shoes. And this looks like stockings, I believe. Let's see. In fact, they had purses. They had the add-on outfit. I mean, a lot of it sold out, but you can always go over there and double check and keep an eye. Oh yeah, these are stockings. Okay, so the stockings go with this. Nice. And we have the paper doll. Yeah, they had this purse, but honestly, I have a purse very similar to that. And then here are the Parisian chic wardrobe inventory. Oh, interesting. How cool is that? Okay. Buttons and findings cards. Closet rules. Do not buy another coat unless it's necessary. Maintain a one-in, one-out policy for shoes. Mend and donate items after 12 months. Keep accessories organized. Oh, how funny. Okie dokie. So, obviously, I have quite a few outfits. And I have this outfit. And like I said, I have a purse already. And I have, I'm sure I can find shoes. Fingers crossed. And then I have the pink outfit. And then I have this gorgeous dress. So I guess I'm going to have to get some dollies dressed, right? I have to think of a name for the puppy dog. Like a poodle. Looks very cute. And of course we have Sybil hanging out. And we'll be back with some dollies all dressed up. I decided to select Romantic Possibilities. She is the doll of the day, by the way. And she looks amazing in this outfit. And I'm going to confess, when I first saw this on the video on the Virtual Doll Convention, Rachel Hoffman's YouTube channel, when they first did a reveal, I was kind of ho-hum about it. I was like, oh, that's cute. I mean, I liked it. But in person, I love it. I mean, the detail is just amazing. It's got this faux trim here that goes all the way down here. It fits her just so well. It looks so good on her. So many great details. Let me flip her around here. Okay. This doll, I wasn't sure who was going to wear it. You know, I was like, oh, I don't know. It just looks so good on her, and it fits her perfectly. Very easy to get her in the outfit, too, by the way. I thought it was quite easy to put it on. So I always appreciate that, especially when you have gimpy hands. Let me tell you a little bit about this doll. She came out in May 2023 during a convention that Rachel had online. And of course, yes, she is Robert Tonner's, one of Ellowyne Wilde by Robert Tonner. I pierced her ears. She has this beautiful crinkly hair. She has painted eyes, but the lashes are three-dimensional. Sometimes they have painted eyes and painted lashes. And she has an unusual kind of makeup. I just looked it up and they called it luminous. I don't know if if it really is coming out on the camera or not, but to me, it has sort of a sun-kissed feel to it. Really, really pretty. I mean, look at those eyes. She's looking up. And I just think this looks excellent on her. She looks good in pretty much everything, but I've noticed some of the more neutral colors look really good on her. I don't think she is considered really tan, but to me, she kind of has a feel of, like I said, sun-kissed. And these earrings I also got from the Virtual Doll Convention boutique a while back. This is one of those purses you get in those little plastic little egg things, and I can't remember what they're called. You know what I'm talking about. Had that for a while. Also had these shoes from the Virtual Doll Convention for a while. So, yeah, really, really impressed. Looks so much better in person than I expected, honestly. All right, so I will be doing a separate video where I'm going to show a doll wearing the pink version of this and a doll wearing this amazing dress. I didn't want to make this video overly long, and I am showing a doll pretty much every single day from my collection So this way I kind of spread it out a little bit. Let me know what you guys think of romantic possibilities in her new outfit. And it's called Wardrobe Woes, by the way. So yeah, she's in her wardrobe trying to figure out what to wear. She has a rough life, you guys. All right, as usual, please give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some dolly time with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You guys have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.